Your and your is a simple one, once you've got the hang of it. These two words are homophones, meaning they sound the same, but are spelled differently and have different meanings. Your is possessive, meaning that something belongs to you or the person you are speaking to. For example, what is your name? Or, are these your car keys? Your is a combination of the words you and are. This is called a contraction. So, whenever you see the word your, you can read it as you are and it will still make sense. The most simple way to tell these two apart is to use them in a sentence. For example, your dog is lovely. Makes perfect sense, but your, you are, dog is lovely, does not work. Your is the words you are put together. You can use this to your advantage when testing if you're using the right one. Some further examples. You're really smart. The best way to prepare for tomorrow is to make sure you do your best today. Leave your dreams. Can you post the parcel when you're in London? Top tip for understanding the difference between your and your. The easiest way to remember which word to use is to remember that your is a contraction of the words you are. Your, you are. Keep this in your mind if you get a little stuck. Whereas, your, belonging to a person. Once you've got the hang of the fact that your means you are, you should be good to go with this one. Remember that often, homophones are tricky to learn and can take some time. Keep at it and eventually all will become clear. Practice makes perfect, so make sure you continue the good work. Happy learning! Enjoyed this lesson? Don't forget to subscribe for more.